you have a list of names, like the one here, could be an index or a bibliography or whatever. And this is the way this list, most lists will be sorted by default. But the publisher you're working for wants to neutralize the difference between MAC max and MC max, so they should be sorted together. So that, for example, this McAllister goes before this McAllister here. You could use cut and paste, but that's going to ruin your wrist and your fingers. So we use a script for this. So let's first move this McAllister up. There. And so I'll do the rest of the names using the shortcuts. So McCullers, this is fine, this is okay. McPherson, McCullers should go up here. McPherson is okay. McNamee should go up, and this is okay. In addition, the publisher wants these Macs sorted together at the beginning of the letter M. And now we can select all the Macs and say Control L, move up, and once more. It's useful.